For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Karnataka is preparing for twin crises, COVID-19 and floods. At a time when the Karnataka government is still working to fix the crumbling health system, another problem has risen in the state. The incessant rainfall has caused a flood-like situation in several districts and major reservoirs are flowing above the danger mark. The India Meteorological Department has sounded alarm bells to several districts in Karnataka. On August 5th, the IMD issued a red alert in a few districts in Karnataka. Weather alert has been issued to coastal Karnataka, north interior Karnataka and south interior Karnataka. In south interior Karnataka, heavy to very heavy rainfall is expected at isolated places including Kodagu, Chikmagaluru, Hassan and Shivamogga districts till August 8th. In coastal Karnataka, heavy rainfall is expected in Udupi, Dakshin Kannada, Uttar Kannada, Karwar and other regions. The IMD has said that heavy to extremely very heavy rainfall are expected at isolated places in Karnataka.
Malenada districts, Shivamogga, Chikmagaluru, Hassan and Kodagu are very likely to experience heavy to very heavy rainfall on 6th and 9th August, for which orange alert is announced. On August 7th and 8th, Malenada districts are announced red alert. Bangalore city is very likely to experience rain on 5th and 6th August. Fishermen are advised not to venture into the sea of Karnataka coast as there is a strong wind along and off Karnataka.
As predicted for the past couple of days, several districts have been battered by heavy rainfall, thunderstorm and lightning. Heavy rainfall is predicted in Karnataka as low pressure area in North Bay of Bengal is likely to shift southwards. In the meantime, several districts in Karnataka are bracing for a flood-like situation. Heavy rains and gusty winds lashed coastal and Malnad regions which flooded the streets of several low-lying areas. The southwest monsoon has reached every part of India, disrupting the normal life of the people. Several trees have been uprooted and there was a landslide in Mangaluru. Major reservoirs in Karnataka like Krishna, Tungabhadra and Kaveri rivers are filling up to the brink. To address these issues, Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa has released 50 crore rupees for rescue and relief works in flood-hit areas. The Chief Minister has also directed the Chief Secretary T.M. Vijay Bhaskar to review the situation and instructed the commissioners of the affected districts to ensure safety of people. The respective district collectors have requested people not to venture out and fishermen have also been advised not to go for fishing. NDRF and SDRF teams have been deployed for rescue operations.